Every pharmaceutical capsule begins with carefully controlled raw materials.
Maintaining the cold chain preserves quality long before manufacturing begins. Every delivery is documented before entering the production chain.
Traceability follows every container from arrival to final production. Inspection ensures only approved material continues through the factory. Digital tracking keeps every production batch fully identifiable.
Preparation begins with equipment designed for hygienic handling. Industrial washing prepares the material for precise downstream processing.
Continuous movement keeps production efficient and consistent. Now the raw material is ready for the first stage of industrial transformation. Uniform sizing creates consistency before deeper processing begins.
Automated vision systems inspect thousands of pieces with remarkable precision.
Human expertise confirms the accuracy of automated inspection.
Every safeguard protects the purity required for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Controlled size reduction prepares the material for efficient extraction.
Precision crushing increases surface area for the stages ahead. Clean air systems protect both product quality and workplace safety. Repeated cleaning ensures every batch meets strict processing standards. Careful moisture control prepares the material for extraction. Preparation is complete, and the core transformation process is ready to begin. The first chemical treatment carefully prepares the collagen-rich material for extraction. Carefully monitored treatment separates valuable collagen from mineral content. Extensive washing restores a balanced environment for the next stage. Now the heart of gelatin production begins inside carefully controlled reactors. Heat gently unlocks the natural gelatin needed for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Precision filtration creates the clean foundation required for medical-grade production. Clarification enhances both purity and consistency before concentration. Controlled evaporation concentrates the gelatin without damaging its structure.
Stable conditions preserve the gelatin before precision refinement.
With extraction complete, the gelatin advances to high-precision purification and transformation. Advanced purification removes microscopic impurities while preserving the gelatin's natural structure. Careful cooling prepares the gelatin for precise formulation. Careful cooling prepares the gelatin for precise formulation. Uniform blending guarantees consistent performance in every capsule. Removing trapped air improves the quality of the final capsule shell. Stable holding conditions preserve the gelatin until forming begins. The purified gelatin is now ready to become capsule shells. Every rotation creates thousands of identical capsule shells with exceptional precision. Controlled drying gives the capsules their final strength and flexibility. The transformation is complete, and every capsule shell now advances toward precision finishing.
Every capsule is measured to microscopic tolerances before moving forward. Advanced optical systems ensure only flawless capsules remain in production. Precision finishing creates the smooth edges required for reliable assembly.
Polishing gives each capsule a clean, uniform pharmaceutical finish.
Perfect alignment allows high-speed assembly with exceptional accuracy. Precision engineering brings every capsule together with perfect consistency. The final cleaning step leaves every capsule ready for pharmaceutical inspection.
Every capsule is electronically counted to maintain complete batch accuracy.
Complete traceability follows every batch throughout the manufacturing process.
Before packaging begins, every production batch must successfully pass comprehensive laboratory testing. Every production batch begins its final journey inside the quality control laboratory.
The smallest visual defect can determine whether an entire batch moves forward.
Dimensional accuracy ensures compatibility with pharmaceutical filling equipment. Mechanical testing confirms each capsule can withstand industrial handling. Controlled moisture preserves both capsule strength and long-term stability. Sterility verification is essential for pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing. Advanced analysis confirms the gelatin meets strict pharmaceutical standards. Only fully approved batches are authorized to continue toward packaging. After passing every inspection, the capsules are finally ready for packaging and worldwide distribution. With quality approved, every capsule enters the final stage of production. Automation ensures every package contains the exact specified quantity. Every container is sealed to preserve product integrity during storage and transport. Complete identification provides full traceability throughout the supply chain. Robotic packaging prepares the capsules for safe global distribution. Automated palletizing protects every shipment before storage. Carefully controlled storage preserves product quality until dispatch. Every shipment leaves with complete documentation and verified traceability. And this is how modern factories produce pharmaceutical capsules from carefully processed animal bone collagen, from start to finish. Innovation, precision, and quality come together to transform natural raw materials into trusted pharmaceutical products used around the world.